This video is on how to create a Padlet. So when you log on to your Padlet account, this will be the first screen that you see. So you'll go up to Make a Padlet. You click there. Then you'll get to choose whether you want to start with a blank template or one that's more created. So you can do like a Q&A, a KWL chart, storyboard, but for this video, we are going to go up and we're going to use the wall. This is the one that's the most basic and easy to use. So we'll click select. And then you can go ahead and get started. Now, I don't want the title to be my swanky wall. If I'm going to use it, I might be using it for social studies class. So I might say chapter 10. And then I might go down here, description, and put life after the Civil War. So once you go there, you can go down and click on a wallpaper. Now these are not the only 4 wallpapers. You can click more. You can click one that they already have, or you can add your own. We're going to go ahead and pick one that they already do have ready for us. So I'm going to go ahead and just click Blackboard. Basic Blackboard. Okay, so once you could do that, you'll back out. And then you can change your post color, your font, any icons that can be used, and then you can go to posting. Now posting is going to be anybody adding to this. So you can allow for posts to be attributed to different authors. So if students are on it, they will have to log in and it'll show who added what. So you can click there. New position, wherever you want that to appear, whether you want new post to appear first or last. Then you go down to profanity filter. If you feel the need to have that on, go ahead and click that. And then here's a big one if you have students working on this and you want them to be able to comment. To be able to comment, you need to allow comments to happen. So that needs to be on the gold, but then you can also allow for reactions. So if a student has a really good post, you can have a like, you can have an upvote, you can give stars, or you can even give a numeric score. Okay, you can add tags, and then you can go down here to address. You can change the address, but I'm going to leave this just as it is for now. Then you'll press next when you're happy with those settings. And you can change the privacy. Now, you have private, password protected, secret, and public. I prefer secret. It just allows me to share it with the link or the QR code. I can still share it on Google Classroom, that sort of thing. Now, those with access can they just read it? Can they write it? Can they moderate and edit and approve others' posts? For my purpose that I use this for, it's mostly can write. Okay, and then you can add contributors if you choose to. We'll press next, and it says we're all set. So we're going to start posting. Now down here at the bottom is this lovely little plus sign. That's going to allow us to start posting. So we're going to click Add Post, and there it goes. There's who is writing this, and then you can press the title. And so for this title, I'm going to change it to leisure time. Okay, and then I'm going to add maybe a question for the students. So I can say, what leisure activities were there after the Civil War? Okay, so once you have that, you can go. Now, here's some fun stuff you can do. You can add a file. You can add a link. Now notice you can do images, YouTube, Google Drive, SoundCloud, all of these. You can do a quick Google search. Now let's say you want to add a GIF. You can. And then you can also take a picture. But there's more. You can draw, you can add a location, you can link to a separate Padlet. So let's say you did one in class and you want to review something they've already learned. That might be something that you can do. So once you have it to your liking, just click off of it. And bada bing, bada boom, it's there. Now students can then go and add a comment. So I might add baseball. And press the little arrow, and it's there, and another student can comment, and so on. And that, now let's say we want to be able to share it with our students. Well, we can go up here to share, and notice there's all these different options. We've been here before. But if you click share, export, embed, this is a QR code. So if they're maybe on iPads, they can hold up the QR reader. You can embed it. You can email, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on a Google Classroom account. Now, if you want to find the link, you can go here and go down here. This is your link. You can also find it. And let's say you want to modify a setting. You can go settings, and there we go, modify. So let's go down here, and there's your link again. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me.